Hi. So, I think nature is wonderful. I really like to appreciate nature. The sunset, the sun, not really the sunrise, but when I can, if I could, sunrise, the nature, the plants, the trees, and everything else. I like to enjoy nature, and I like to enjoy nature, and I think we should protect nature. Nature and the earth is the because Earth is the only planet we have, the only home we have. And if you don't have Earth, we have nothing. If you continue polluting our environment, we 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 have bad conditions for living, and so we should protect nature, the rainforest, the oceans, the grasslands, every 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 part of nature. Although I'm not saying we shouldn't uh, improve our technology and our infrastructure. We should you should continue to progress and develop our society as we be doing, but without destroying nature. And I really enjoy and appreciate nature, like many humans. Maybe all humans appreciate nature. I thought many don't take the time to appreciate nature, and I really enjoy nature. Seeing the sun, seeing the plants, the tree, the birds, the other animals, and it's it's lovely to see the sounds, the smells. On the beach, you can see the waves of the ocean, on the rivers. You can see the flow of water and so on. Many, the mountains, the forests, and so on. And that's it. And we should protect nature and protect the only home we got, that is planet Earth. Thank you for listening.